Employee performance tracking versus analytics platforms. Which one is better for workforce insights? Most companies get this wrong by assuming that simple performance tracking alone provides the insights needed to manage their workforce effectively. The truth is that employee performance tracking and analytics platforms offer very different types of insights, and knowing which to use can dramatically improve talent management. Employee performance tracking systems like Lattice or Five or Bambor focus on monitoring individual employee goals, feedback, and achievements. They provide managers with real-time data on performance reviews, task completion, and skill development. For example, a sales manager can track each rep's quarterly goals, provide feedback, and adjust targets based on performance trends. These tools are excellent for day-to-day performance management and coaching. Where analytics platforms such as Workday People Analytics, Visier, or Adobe Data Cloud take a broader approach. They aggregate workforce data to uncover patterns, predict attrition, and optimize talent allocation. For instance, a company might analyze engagement scores, promotion rates, and turnover trends across departments to identify high-risk areas or skill gaps. Where analytics provides strategic insights that go beyond individual performance to inform workforce planning and organizational development. The key difference is tactical versus strategic. Employee performance tracking helps managers optimize individual productivity and engagement, while analytics platforms reveal organization-wide trends and predictive insights. Many forward-thinking companies use both performance tracking to manage and develop employees and analytics to inform strategic decisions like promotions, succession planning, and retention strategies. Takeaway is clear. If your goal is understanding individual performance and improving day-to-day productivity, employee performance tracking is ideal. If your goal is gaining strategic workforce insights and making data-driven decisions, an analytics platform is essential. The surprising truth is that combining both provides a full-spectrum view, actionable insights for employees and strategic intelligence for the organization.